Join me as I put the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally here, and it's a game changer in the world of portable cameras. As we all know, DJI has been dominating the market with their innovative products, and this new release has got everyone in the tech community excited. When it comes to earlier models, we've all experienced those frustrating stabilization issues, limited features, and compromises on image quality. The Osmo Pocket 3, for instance, had its fair share of problems, like the lack of horizon leveling and mediocre low light performance. Many users, including myself, were craving for something more, something that could deliver on its promises and provide a seamless shooting experience. But the earlier models also had some redeeming qualities, like their portability, ease of use, and of course, that iconic DJI stabilization. So, the question is, what were the main pain points that users faced, and how does the new Osmo Pocket 4 address them? For one, many users felt that the earlier models lacked advanced features, like the ability to adjust ISO, shutter speed, and other settings on the fly. Others were disappointed by the lack of decent audio quality, which made vlogging a real challenge. And let's not forget about the stabilization issues I mentioned earlier. It was like DJI was playing a cat-and-mouse game with the laws of physics. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a powerhouse of a camera, boasting improved rock-steady 3.0 stabilization, which is designed to eliminate even the slightest shakes and jitters. The new camera module is equipped with a larger 1.7-inch sensor, which translates to better low-light performance and more detailed images. And let's not forget about the new Active Track 4.0, which allows for more precise subject tracking and following. But that's not all. The Osmo Pocket 4 also introduces a slew of new features that set it apart from its predecessors. For instance, it now supports live streaming, has improved slow-motion capabilities, and even allows for vertical shooting. And if you're a vlogger, you'll love the new built-in microphone, which promises to deliver crystal-clear audio. One of the most exciting features of the Osmo Pocket 4 has to be its improved HDR capabilities. With the new camera, you can now shoot stunning HDR footage right out of the box, which is a huge deal for anyone who wants to create cinematic-looking content on the go. In a nutshell, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a massive leap forward in terms of camera quality, features, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a portable camera that can deliver professional-grade results, this might be the perfect choice for you. So, what are your thoughts on the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Are you excited about the new features and improvements? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more tech reviews and hands-on tests, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.